Quick little video, disregard the dirty shop, but this here is my newest venture. Top bar hive for honeybees. Got a nice little lid here, still need to paint it, all that good stuff. This here is the feeder. The honeybees go inside, drink out of here. Nice little screen inside there. And then this is just my entrance reducer. Initial entrance. And then this will be the entrance after it's established a little bit. And then this is the entrance here. They'll fly in through that little gap and go up inside the hive. And then there's some holes up in here that can actually get inside. Over here, got a nice little access hatch. And we've got a window, so you can see down inside there. And you can see the divider in there right now. Slide this lid off. And this here is the actual bars themselves. I might redo these bars. I don't know. I grooved them and then put a small little dowel. I didn't run the groove all the way to the outside because I wanted to keep the beetles out, and then waxed those. And there's my beeswax down inside there. And then the bees will come in through these two holes here. And then if you notice, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a screened bottom so that the mites and that kind of stuff will fall out and down through the bottom. A little inside the hive view of the ceiling. And then pretty much it. I've got bees coming in the mail. Well, not in the mail, I'll have to go pick them up. But they should be here in a little under a month. And I had to get this thing done into this position so I could put bees in it if I needed to, and always paint and do all that other kind of stuff. I think the only other thing I'm going to do here is fill in where that wood goes right here inside here with maybe a little wood glued to the back of this so that it just fills the gap, maybe provides a little bit better insulation, and I don't really want any wind, all that kind of stuff getting in there. I couldn't get a long enough piece of plexiglass to go the whole length, so I figured from there, inside there, you can see all the way to the back. I don't know if you can see that or not because of the dust in here in my shop and the reflection off that glass. But that's pretty much it. Just a quick little shop project. And I've got a whole bunch of other projects over there I'm in the middle of. So stain and varnish and bookshelves and all that kind of stuff. And that's about it for this video. Fanlun Foal out.